The Audi R8 Spyder V10 Plus from the workshop of Audi Sport GmbH is the fastest series production convertible model from the brand with the 4 rings. Its unmistakable 610 horsepower V10 mid-engine offers intense driving performance and powers the quattro permanent all-wheel drive. The standard performance program, R8 bucket seats and many components made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer distinguish this high-performance sports car, with its exclusive micrommata green paint finish giving it an even more cutting-edge look. The Audi R8 Spyder V10 Plus completes the R8 model line, said Stephan Winkelmann, managing director of Audi Sport GmbH. The Spyder is now also available as a 610 horsepower top version in addition to the Coupe. It benefits from our many years of experience in motorsport and combines breathtaking dynamics with the emotion of an open-top sports car. The most powerful series production engine from Audi, V10 mid-engine with 449 kilowatts, 610 horsepower. Incredibly high, revving up to 8,700 revolutions per minute, lightning-quick responsiveness and an awe-inspiring, voluminous sound, the V10 mid-engine is an object of fascination. With 449 kilowatts, 610 horsepower, and maximum torque of 560 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute, it is the most powerful series production engine from the brand with the 4 rings. Compared with the Audi R8 Spyder V10, the naturally aspirated 5.2 FSI engine, with a high 12.7:1 compression ratio in the Plus version, features a 52 kilowatts, 70 horsepower, boost in performance. As a result, the top model sprints to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in 3.3 seconds, 0.3 seconds faster, and achieves a top speed of 328 km per hour, 203.8 miles per hour, an increase of 10 km per hour, 6.2 miles per hour. Each HP only has to move 2.78 kilograms, 6.1 pounds.